Guys, what's up? We're on the delivery trail. Baby and big, bright and pasty. Come by the people them place, but they might do delivery. Guys, we're in Kingston, we're on the delivery trail. And that's why I mentioned where we are. But yeah, we give you a good discount. We give you free shipping, right? So you get to ship 4 packages with us for free, 4 times per year. We give you lots of free coupon, only for free. This price is good already. You have a customer here, customer don't want to come on camera, so we're not putting the customer on camera. But you like the service, right? Yeah, so far, yeah. So far, it's the first time I shop online. You're gonna love it, you know, and the camera there tends to get addicted to it. No respect, see? So yeah, you will get addicted to online shopping. But here's the good thing about it. Shipping not going to be expensive. We're going to allow you to ship your packages, ship. We're going to give you one more nicety. We're going to bring it to your office or your home and deliver it to you. Alright, so there's a link here. Click on the link, join us today. Alright, no respect. Blessings. Kingston, big up on yourself. Kingston, be wise.